Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we are doing an unboxing. It's a Happy Planner unboxing. The only thing I did was take out the box out of the box, and here we go. I'm really excited. I think this is going to be a great product, and I'm really excited just to share this with you guys. I will go ahead and share all the details on the screen because I don't have that information with me right now, but you should see it on the screen. I'll also put it down in the description box. But this is a package that I just received from the Happy Planner. So we're going to have like first impressions together, just first everything. So I'm really excited. It's a really beautiful box, as you can tell, and it says happiness starts here. Ooh, cute. Oh, I don't want to ruin the sticker because I want to keep it for my junk journal. Okay. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Oh my goodness. So that is all that comes in the box. But you have a beautiful keepsake box that you can use for like pictures or like your junk journaling supplies or anything like that. But look at this gorgeous portfolio. This is like very like traveler's notebook inspired. It is vegan leather. But it's beautiful. Look at the heart that's embossed. How cute. It has a purple cord. Now, this is something that you can change. If you don't like the purple and you want to go with something more neutral, you can definitely change that. But it's purple, and I think the contrast looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we open it up. I can't wait to even add charms on there. It's a trifold, so that's stunning. And it does include some things for you. So it has this little portfolio. It's like a plastic folio that you can use to keep your stickers, as they included in here. Cute. I'm gonna take these out so we can look at them together. So you have some months, icons. You have bigger months and smaller months. Dates, so you can date your planner, important reminder, meeting, schedule, priority, deadline, to do. Some beautiful dot stickers. These are gorgeous. Oh, and then we have monthly tabs along with some blank ones if you wanted to make your own. Cute. So I'll go ahead and stick this back in here so I don't misplace them. What's really cute about this type of pouch is that you can put stickers, or you can put like pictures. I would even like make like a little collage that is this size. Pretty sure this is an A5 size, and you would be able to like customize it for yourself and maybe even make it like monthly or seasonally, really whatever your heart desires. It does also, oh, I think one of them came from the back. Okay, I gotta stick this in here and put it in there, right? Okay, perfect. And it does include a little pouch that you can put some stuff in. You can put little tiny scissors, your glue runner, whatever you need. You have a little folder. This is really pretty. It's the same like design as the box. And then you have a planner. Planner belongs to with the beautiful Happy Planner details. And it's a monthly planner, and this is what you get to date. You could use just a pen or the stickers that they included. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Oh, this is really cool. You have a to-do list, this month's intention, focus. You have some note paper, reading, loving, planning, going. This is really cute. And then you have monthly again, and it repeats itself. I wonder how many months. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 months in here. 7 actually. Oh no, it keeps going. I'm sorry, I think it's the whole year. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, you get the whole year. And some extra note pages in the back. So you get a whole 12-month monthly planner. And then you have a journal, which you could use even, you could make like your own weekly spreads like you would in like a Bujo planner. Or you can use it for like junk journaling or note taking whatever your heart desires. And what's really cool about this type of system is that you can easily refill them. So this right here is the rubber band section that you can remove the journal in, and you can add whatever you want, whatever you need. You can add more. The possibilities are endless. So I'm really excited about this. And oh my gosh, shut up, you get a little pen loop. Let me grab one of my pens so we can try it out. This is really cool. I like that. And then there you go. And it doesn't even like take up that much space. That's really neat. And it's pretty thick, so you could put even like a thicker pen. Let me grab one of my, this is a fountain pen. Ooh, that looks so pretty. How nice is that, you guys? I love it. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you're interested, it'll be on the Happy Planner website. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and share all the details with you guys on the screen. So I'll share that again in case you're interested. But it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful portfolio. I love it. It's just a beautiful system. I love the trifold journal system. You can just add as many as you want, make it as chunky as you want, make it as simple as you want. And what's really cool too is that you could use it as a work planner, personal planner, and it's just beautiful. It's stunning. And you can add some charms, really whatever you want. It's really beautiful and I love it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all again pretty soon. Bye.